Hello, my name is Keith Toll. I'm the Business Development Manager for the Western Region for A.W. Chesterton Company. And today I'm here at our distributor, Northwest Pump, to introduce you to a new seal we're launching called the 1510L. The 1510L seal is a new seal that was designed using the 5 key features that Chesterton feels are important for a reliable mechanical seal, as well as a new feature we'll show you, which is a clamp style lock ring that is going to make it easier for installation for the customer. We're going to go through what's contained in the box. If we start with the label, we'll see the 1510L seal shows the shaft size, 1 3/8 inch, as well as the materials, carbon, silicon carbide, and FEPM elastomers. Okay, as we remove the mechanical seal, you'll see this is a hub style gland on the seal, meaning the gland does not have the bolt holes in it. The seal itself has a clamp style lock ring that clamps around the shaft to drive it using just a single screw to tighten it. You'll see there's 3 other screws that are covered with a sticker to indicate that they do not need to be tightened. If you look at the inside of the seal, you can see where those set screws would protrude through. Those are for installation, for assembly of the seal, disassembly of the seal, and do not need to be tightened during installation. The single screw lock ring then will be tightened using the Allen wrench that's supplied. You'll note there's 2 Allen wrenches in here. The small Allen wrench would be for disassembly of the seal, and the larger Allen wrench is what would be used to tighten the screw. There's also a packet of grease included in there to lubricate the O-ring on the inside of the seal to be able to slide it on during installation. There's also a packet containing the gland tabs, so this is what will be used to bolt the seal to the pump with the hub style gland. So the gland tabs include 4 sets, and the tabs simply clip onto the side of the seal using a small rubber bumper to hold them tight in place so they don't fall off. And those tabs then can be slid around to whatever position they need to be for the bolt and for whatever bolt size you have on the pump. They also allow you to be able to position the flush hole wherever you want to by being able to simply, once the seal is installed, you can simply rotate it around, slide the gland tabs around to locate the flush hole to line up with your piping. So that pretty much covers the seal and what's in the box. I think you'll find that it's a seal that's going to be easy to install. It has Chesterton's 5 key features that we feel are important for a reliable seal design, and that with the ease of installation should make it an excellent product for your company. Thank you.